In this brief talk, we will discuss what digital marketing is, its key features, and how you can use it to improve your online presence. Digital marketing is a broad term that refers to all methods of promoting a business, product, or service online. It encompasses a variety of strategies, including search engine optimization (SEO), social media marketing, email marketing, and content marketing. These strategies are designed to attract and engage customers, increase brand awareness, and drive sales. One of the key features of digital marketing is its ability to reach a broad audience. With the rise of the internet, people are more connected than ever before. This means that you can reach customers who are potentially interested in your products or services, regardless of where they are located. Another advantage of digital marketing is its flexibility. Unlike traditional marketing methods, digital marketing allows you to tailor your campaigns to specific audiences and preferences. This means that you can effectively target your message to individuals who are most likely to be interested in your products or services. Now, let's talk about some of the top features of digital marketing. First and foremost, digital marketing offers a cost-effective way to promote your business. With the ability to reach a large audience through various platforms, digital marketing can often be more affordable than traditional marketing methods, such as television or print advertising. Another top feature of digital marketing is its ability to adapt to changes in the market. With the ever-changing landscape of online marketing, digital marketing can quickly adapt to new trends and technologies. This means that you can stay ahead of the curve and ensure that your business is always up to date with the latest style and trends. Lastly, digital marketing offers a variety of easy ways to guide what's new, top features, and latest style introduction. With the rise of social media platforms, you can easily share updates and information about your products or services with your audience. This can help to keep your customers informed and engaged with your brand. In conclusion, digital marketing is an essential tool for any business looking to improve their online presence and reach a broader audience. With its flexibility, cost-effectiveness, and ability to adapt to changes in the market, digital marketing offers a variety of easy ways to promote your business and drive growth. So, if you're looking to stay ahead of the curve and competitive in today's digital world, consider incorporating digital marketing into your marketing strategy.